Hey guys, it's me. I'm doing some tobogganing or GTing or whatever. It's kind of snowy right now. If you look over there, you can see my, oh, maybe you can't see my house, it's very far away. Anyways, this is my toboggan here, or my GT. And we're going to go down that hill. It's a little bit, it's kind of short. How do you say it? But it's my first time, and there's some trees and things like that, so it's maybe a little bit abonat, but we're gonna try it. Kate! Come on, Kate! Come on! Okay, so if I don't come back to school in January, maybe I had an accident on this hill. Okay, ready? Ready, Kate? Oh, abonat, Kate. Abonat, let's go. Look at it. Oh, abonat. Oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Woo, whoa.